Hey guys, good morning. Hey, this is Thursday now, January 7th, and we're going to end Hurricanes Week with a little known fact about hurricanes. And you are correct, I said end Hurricane Week. There's no science tomorrow. There is still school. You have English and spelling and all the other subjects, but no science tomorrow. But maybe you knew how hurricanes are named. Well, believe it or not, each hurricane is a name, and in each ocean they're given a name. And you might say, well, why in the world do we name hurricanes? And simply put, we name hurricanes so that everybody knows which hurricane we're talking about. You guys might know how some scientists do it. This isn't poking fun at scientists, but they might name a hurricane, X1482. And maybe they have a reason for naming it X1482, but nobody around the world is going to understand what they're talking about, X1482. And so they actually came up with a method. And as you can see here, it follows a phonetic alphabet, which simply means it goes in ABC order. And what they do is, in the even years, they stick with an A name that starts with a boy. And then the B name is a girl name. The C name is a boy name. D name is a girl name, so on and so forth. And the odd years, like this year, 2021, the first hurricane is going to be an A girl name. That's just how they do it. That way, no matter what country you're in, no matter where you are, you know which hurricane you're talking about. Now, the letters Q, U, X, Y, Z are never used because there's just not enough names. But take a look right here. This is a list of all names that scientists give to hurricanes. Now, as you can see here, in the year 2021, they stick with A first, and it's going to be a girl name, Anna. The first hurricane that scientists discover is going to be named Hurricane Anna. Then the next one, the second hurricane, is going to be named Hurricane Bill. The third one, Hurricane Claudette. So on and so forth, all the way down the line. Again, there's no Q, U, Z, X. There's just not enough names for that. And so, when scientists all across the world talk about Hurricane Anna, they're going to know that it's the same hurricane that they're talking about. But also notice, this is for the Atlantic Ocean. Now, the Atlantic Ocean has all those ingredients that a hurricane needs, the warm ocean water, the different winds and stuff. The Atlantic Ocean, I guess unfortunately for a lot of our states, is the most common area for hurricanes to form. It can also happen in the Pacific Ocean and the Indian Ocean, so on and so forth. So each ocean has a different list of names. But again, the Atlantic Ocean is, if you want to study hurricanes, most people do it on the Atlantic Ocean because it happens so prevalently. Now, most of these hurricanes, hopefully we never hear about, because that means, yes, they formed in the Atlantic Ocean, but some ingredients, failed or the wind stopped, and so the hurricane died off before it ever got to land and caused a bunch of destruction. So that's what I mean when I say hopefully we never hear these names. But as you can see, this list ends at 2021. What I'm asking you for your assignment to do is pretend that this is the scientists are coming to you and saying, hey guys, we need to fill this out for 2022 for next year. You need to come up with the name. So that's what you're going to do. Now notice it's an even year, so it's going to be an A boy's name. And no, you can't use any of these here. So maybe you choose Adam. Okay? You can put Adam there. And then the B name is going to be a girl name. Again, it can't be any of these. Then the C name will go back to a boy name. So on so forth. And I want you to go all the way down the list and name all the hurricanes for 2022, guys. Hey, here's your assignment. I want to wish you guys Lord's blessings as you praise your Savior. And have a wonderful day and a wonderful weekend.